Hi social media world, ako si CJ and I am a CKD patient for 8 years now. CKD is chronic kidney disease and since na-diagnose ako way back 2017 by God's grace, nagda-dialysis ako for 7 years na. Sira na ang mga bato ko so yung dialysis treatment na ang nagsisilbing tagalinis ng toxins ng katawan ko. I hope mahaba-haba pa ang pagsasamahan natin para maibahagi ko sa inyo mga bagay-bagay ng may ganitong kondisyon. I spent time praying and asking guidance from up above about doing this and sharing to you my journey with my condition, and here we are. There was a time when I was about to settle to not going ahead with this anymore. Then I saw a video with a message saying, you wouldn't really know if you can get to the finish line unless you start the race. I really hope something good will come out from this. If you ask me why do this and why just now, if I'm being honest, alam niyo na yun. But kidding aside, I hope to raise awareness about the disease after seeing from the news how much the number of CKD patients have increased. I wish I can vlog about traveling or about food, pero ito ang meron ako at binigay sa akin eh. So I have to make peace with it kasi na-realize ko na hanggat in denial ako, hindi ko mapapakawala ng sarili ko sa rehas ng kondisyon ko. Physically chained na nga, pati ba naman mentally hahayaan ko pang bilanggo ako. I would not wish this disease even to my worst enemy. Although, wala naman yata akong worst enemy. Mabait kasi ako eh. But I want to show you that even with it, you can choose and continue to live on and live life to the fullest as much as you can. Every CKD patient can be different from the other. Some cases can be critical and there are those like me na sa awa ng Diyos nakakapag-travel pa kahit paano kasama ang family ko. May mga kaibigan at kakilala din ako na may kagaya ng kondisyon ko at ang iba sa kanila nasa piling na ng puong may kapal. Hindi madali kasi walang kasiguraduhan talaga ang pakiramdam ng katawan mo pagising mo. Pero you deal with it and you continue to live, love, and laugh hanggat may time ka pa dito sa mundo. So yun, sana samahan niyo ako sa journey ko na to. Through good days and bad days. So alam niyo na ha, like, share, and subscribe. Ingat mga kabato!